Okay guys, yeah, so this is the continuation of the challenge lock Springy. You guys can see here. For some reason, I don't know what's going on with my YouTube, but I have lost a couple of videos. A couple of videos have been cut short when I've uploaded them, and I have no idea what YouTube is doing. But we're going to go ahead and gut this lock again. You guys saw in the previous video, my number 179, that it was picked, but the video did not upload the entire way to show the gutting process and show you guys the pins, and that's really, in my opinion, one of the most important parts, especially with these challenge locks. I want to show the work that the maker has done. They've taken the time to build these and send them out to the community. We owe them the justice of showing their work. So gutting to me is not a difficult process, so we're going to redo this one. Let's see, there was a trick to this one though. You had to keep it straight up and down to push it out. Alright, there we go. You guys can see that everything was in there. Beautifully done by Al, as always. I'll show you what he had inside. It was a standard, 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 and standard on all of them. But there is undercutting in there. There's undercutting in 1 and 5. So you guys can see that, hopefully. Beautifully done. And let's show you the top pins. This is where the magic is. Sorry about that, Al, for having to break the video up into two, man. Like I said, I lost one that I just am sick to my stomach that I lost. It was Dairy Whips number 7. That was a real difficult pick. I picked the lock, went to upload the video. I still have the video, but for some reason, when I went to upload it to YouTube, it corrupted the entire. It corrupted the entire video. So now I don't have the video, and I already have got the lock package to send out. So it's a lock that I will not have on video, which stinks because it was a fight. Dairy Whip, I don't know him, but he built one hell of a lock. This was the pin in 5. And 4. So this was Springy from Al. Beautiful, beautiful lock. Beautiful pins. I wish YouTube wouldn't have cut my video off, but I did not have this lock packaged up to send out, so nothing done up top, but there was undercutting in the core, if you remember. So let's show you these pins. Al did a phenomenal job on this lock, and the main purpose of picking these challenge locks is to show what the builder has done on the inside. So I really wanted to re-gut this one. Alright, so you guys can see here we have all standard key pins that aren't being very nice. Okay, all standard key pins there. 5-pin lock. Beautifully done spool here. In number 1, but he's got some serrations on the inside. Let me see if I can show you guys that. He's got Got a beautiful spool, but there are some small serrations on the inside of this spool, which gives great feedback. And if you saw in the video, when I picked it, I thought I had number 1 set, but it was probably just catching one of those serrations. He's got a nice little barrel spool here. It's fatter in the middle, but it's kind of got 2 serrations on it, which kind of turns it into a spool for number 2. And number 3, he's got a double serrated, real deep serrations here on number 3. Number 4, he's kind of got like it's another barrel spool, but he didn't really put the middle of it. The middle of it didn't really get shaved down, so that's probably another double serrated. That's probably acts like a serrated. Whereas this one, since he's shaved down the middle on this one, it kind of acts like a little spool. And then in number 5, he's got a pin here. You can see it's a 2-piece pin. But then on the body of this pin, he's got some couple of serrations there, and then the top of it is definitely been shaved down also. So you guys can see the beautiful work there. All the springs were steel springs. Let me go ahead and angle this up so you guys can see the work that Al did on Springy. Beautiful, beautiful pins, Al. Great work, my friend. And I appreciate you sending this out to the community. So you guys, I appreciate you guys sticking with me. Sorry I had to break this one up into 2 for some reason on my last upload. The only thing I do with my videos, I don't edit them. I don't really do anything. I just put them into a software. I have a camcorder that I record on, and then I load it into the software. That software loads it automatically to YouTube. And for some reason, when it did that upload for Springy, it did not upload the entire video. It got cut off for some reason. And honestly, I didn't even notice it until I looked at the video and saw it was only 8 minutes. So here's the final product of Springy Challenge Lock pinned up by Albert Lebel. All right, guys, remember, please like, subscribe. And remember, if it's not your lock, don't be putting a pick in it. And this is Squint. I'll be on to the next lock.